Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. I'm Ted Keys, your top freight agent training expert here in Pasadena, California. If you have any questions after the call, or more importantly, more specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. So you may wonder, and I would venture to say you have wondered, what separates a top performing freight sales agent from the rest of the pack? Good question. Well, in most cases, it's because they apply a number of successful actions in their daily routine. Here's my list. Again, here's my list of the best actions of top performing freight sales agents. If your goal is to become a member of this group, a highly touted group, then perform as many of these actions as possible. Believe me, when you do that, you will see the success that you are going after and requiring and desiring. Remember, when you're calling your prospects and customers, to continually build momentum in your freight business. Everything that you do on a daily basis, you are building momentum. Building your contact list, you're building momentum. How do you build momentum? Just using that as an example, well, the more people you have in your contact list, the more people you can ask what challenging freight is moving this week. The more you increase that list, the higher the probability that more of those individuals will have freight for you to move. That's part of building momentum. Not only that, but as you cover load after load after load, you're building momentum. When you build momentum, you gain success and confidence in what you're doing and in this profession. So one more time, remember, when you're calling your prospects and customers, to continually build momentum in your freight business. Do we have any questions about what I just went over today, or more importantly, because of what I went over today, so you can see the training that I provide, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Yes? Then give me a call. I'm Ted Keys. My number is 626-309-9141. Great talking to you today. Take care. God bless. I'll see you all again next week on my Tuesday conference call. Take care. God bless. And goodbye.